Welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for joining me. Today I will be making zesty lemon butter fish fillets. For this recipe, I will be using haddock, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, and salt and pepper to season my fish. For the lemon butter sauce, I will be using butter, olive oil, 1 lemon, minced garlic, fresh parsley, and salt and pepper. The first thing I'm going to do is get my seasonings mixed up. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Just gonna whisk those together till they're well combined. Then I have 1 pound of haddock. You could use cod or tilapia or any white fish. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on there. You can use whatever kind of oil you like to use. This just gives the spices something to stick to. Flip these and do the same to the other side. Then I'm going to take my spices and just sprinkle that evenly over the fish. Flip it. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. You can use as much or as little as you like. Then I have a skillet that I've added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have my heat on about medium-high. I'm just going to add my seasoned fish in there. Now this little piece will cook way faster than the pieces that are a little thicker. You want to cook these about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to flip my fish. That little piece kind of fell apart, but it's okay. And I'm going to let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been another 4 minutes and our fish is flaky. I'm going to remove that. I've already removed the small piece. And then to the same skillet, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and just let that melt. Once the butter is all melted, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And I'm just going to let that cook for about 30 seconds. And I have my lemon. I'm going to add the juice from 1 lemon. And I'm also going to do the zest from this lemon. You want probably about a teaspoon of the zest. And just let that cook together for a couple minutes. Then I'm just going to spoon this sauce over my fish. This is super quick and easy to make. It smells amazing. I hope you give it a try. Please consider subscribing to my channel and share with your family and friends who you think might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll join me on the next one.